What's going on, guys? Zach Fernandez here once again, bringing you guys a very simple cut. We're gonna do an undercut. We're gonna start by sectioning the top layer of the hair. Pretty much we're gonna do like a 2.5 on the sides. We're gonna blend the sideburn and taper the back as well. Now, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so now. Make sure you like and share it if you find the video useful, so you don't miss out on the next video coming out. So we're gonna start by using the Andes Supra ZR with a 3.5 metal blade on it. As you can see, my client is very happy. I just told him to stay still, so he changed his face. So here we go. It's pretty simple. I'm using a comb, combing it down. I'm not going into the crown. We're going to do this throughout the head. So now I'm going to grab my Wool Cordless Senior with a number 2 on the open position. And I'm going to work what I just stopped with the 3.5. As you can see, I'm not going into the crown. I'm just going barely sideways on it, just to achieve a better blend. So now we're going to blend the transition with the beard and the sideburn with the one close. Then we're going to open it halfway and open it all together just to achieve a better blend on the sides. We're going to switch it out to a 1.5 guard as well on the half open position. We're going to do the same thing on the other side, and we're also going to taper the back with the same process. Now, you could also follow me, guys, at @_B_Fernandez on Instagram, so you don't miss out on the next upcoming videos as well through there. Same thing on the other side here. And now on the back, the same thing we did on the sides. Number 1, close, then open it halfway, then open it completely to like a 1.5. We're going to switch it out to a 1.5 guard as well. And then I'm going to use the half guard all the way on the top, on the bottom part, just to achieve a little better blend. And then from there, we're going to jump on the edge. It's always good to have a comb or a brush in your hand to get the excess hair out, so it's easier to cut, easier to see. Now, a good technique is using the corners of the blade to achieve a better blend, especially those hairs that look darker. Now here we're going to use the cordless T-outline blade. Make sure that you're getting behind the ear. Get all those little extra hairs and the side part of the beard, even though he's not getting his beard done, but at least it looks a little nicer and fresher. We're going to do the same thing on the other side as well.
Cuando me miras me calientas y cuando me besas me vuelve loco en la cabeza. Tú me tientas.
So once we get the edge done with the TL line, we are going to start. I'm using the 245 handle and a Dorco prime blade. And you could use your shaving gel as the sire. I'm using Elegant shaving gel right here. Now that we finished the sides, we're going to start by damping or wetting the top of the hair. And we're going to be using a traveling guide. He wants to take off a lot, pretty much the color that he has on, right on top of the eyebrows. So I'm going to bring it forward on top of the eyebrows, and then I'm going to use that has my guideline. Also guys, under my description, if you click in there, you'll be able to find all the tools that I use, so make sure you check that out. If you're looking to any of the links, that should be helpful for you guys. Alright, so now I'm gonna blow dry it and style a little bit so it's not too wet. You could use any wax, any gel as desired by the client. He pretty much wants a simple toward the back, towards the left side of the head, like that's how he styled it. So I'm just giving it a little bit of form and then applied a little bit of wax to it, and that'll be all. It's something simple and easy, guys, but yet effective. Just to come to style it, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to like and share it, and I'll see you guys around.